Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Escape in an SEL trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. It does also have a roof rack up top, so you can mount some cargo up there. Then looking into the back, where you have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your cargo area, which can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have a 12-volt power outlet there, and underneath this cover you have your spare tire as well as some extra storage room. And this closes again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a nice full leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. Then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 72,642 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy, distance to empty, trip timer. Then you can also go into your information such as system checks, auto start stop status, driver alert, four-wheel drive status, and my key. Then you have settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And back to your trip 1 and 2. You also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your media controls as well as your hazards. And moving down further, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay comfortable. You have your auto start stop shut off and your traction control shut off. Moving down further, you have a 12-volt power outlet and USB, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, slot for your phone, parking brake, larger cubby there, and your two-tiered center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside and another USB. Then last but not least, you do have a panoramic moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111. Come visit us at Prince George Ford or pgford.ca and have a nice day.